friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Kerala style Ela Ada. This is a very delicious and famous snack recipe in South India. Very easy recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of ghee. When the ghee melts, add 1 cup of grated coconut. Fry the coconut for 5 minutes in low flame. It's been 5 minutes now and the coconut is nice and dry now. So to this add 1 cup of powdered jaggery. Mix it well until the jaggery completely melts. Now after 2 minutes the jaggery is nicely melted. So to this add 2 crushed cardamom and mix it well. When all the ingredients come together well like this, off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Now to a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of rice flour. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix it well with a spoon and make sure the ingredients are well spread. Now start to add little hot water at a time and mix it well. Add water until you get a single dough consistency. Now the dough has come together very well and we have the perfect consistency. Today I have taken a string-of-peas maker, grease it well with oil or ghee, fill in the dough and press it a little and check the flow. The flow is very smooth. I have taken a piece of banana leaf, make mini string-of-peas on it. Place a tablespoon of the filling in the center. Now fold the banana leaf this way and seal it with a toothpick. Place it in an idli cooker. Close with a lid and steam for 5 minutes in high flame. It's been 5 minutes now, so let's open and check. The Ela Ada is well cooked and ready. Let this cool for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and a delicious snack recipe. So do try this Ela Ada recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.